Most people get this wrong. They assume music distribution services are all the same, but Zajek Worldwide has some unique features that can make a real difference for independent artists. Today, I'm giving you an honest review so you know what to expect before signing up. Zajek Worldwide is a music distribution platform that allows musicians to get their tracks on major streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and more. The platform focuses on giving independent artists access to global markets without requiring a record label. One of the biggest benefits is the simplicity of their dashboard. You can upload your tracks, cover art, and metadata all in one place, then select which stores or platforms you want your music on. Most people get confused by distribution services, but Zajek keeps it straightforward and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Zajek also offers royalty tracking and timely payouts. This is crucial because, in many distribution platforms, artists struggle to see when and how much they are earning. With Zajek, you get detailed reports so you can monitor your streams and revenue in real time. The surprising truth about Zajek is that they also provide promotional support. While it's not a full marketing agency, they offer playlist pitching and social media resources that can give your music extra visibility, something many indie artists overlook when choosing a distributor. On the downside, Zajek's pricing may not be the cheapest on the market. There are yearly fees and sometimes additional costs for optional services. However, if you value speed, transparency, and reliable distribution, these costs can be worth it. In conclusion, Zajek Worldwide is ideal for independent musicians who want a hassle-free way to distribute music globally while keeping track of royalties and promotion. If you're serious about growing your audience without dealing with complicated contracts, Zajek is worth considering. Subscribe for more honest reviews and tips for musicians trying to navigate the modern music industry.